Come test drive the 2016 RX 350. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system,